Ever wonder how some restaurants make the perfect Egg McMuffin? The absolute fluffiest scrambled eggs? Or those perfect breakfast tacos you can't seem to replicate? And last but not least, my favorite, zero uncooked egg white in my over easy or over medium eggs. For the first recipe, crack 2 eggs into a mixing bowl and whisk it until the yolks and whites blend into a smooth golden color. Once that's done, add 1/2 cup egg whites. You can use egg whites from the carton like I'm doing, or separate your own if you prefer. Then give it one final whisk until it's fully combined. Next, heat your frying pan to the medium setting and add 1 tablespoon butter. Once the butter melts and coats the pan, add the egg mixture to your pan while whisking it. Now cover the pan with a lid. Let the steam gently cook the top of the egg. Once it looks like it's set and no longer shiny, remove the lid. When flipping, be gentle. These eggs are delicate. Work with your spatula slowly underneath by sliding it back and forth. If it sticks, simply spray a little non-stick spray directly on your spatula and try again. Once you've got it lifted, flip carefully. And if it folds over a little onto itself, no worries. You can easily unfold it after you flipped it. Now, cook the second side just until it turns a light golden brown. Then, remove it from the pan and place it on your cutting surface. You can cut it however you would like, but I like to trim the edges for a clean, square look. It gives it that nostalgic look, just like the ones you see at your favorite fast food restaurant. Now, if you're looking for fluffy, high-protein eggs, this one's for you. Now normally you'd use 1 tablespoon, but I'm only going to use half because as you could see, my pan is already buttered from the last recipe. Spread it around evenly, then add 2/3 cup egg whites followed by 2 large eggs. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that egg whites were almost 90% water and the yolk only has half that? Some chefs even use egg whites for the high protein content and low fat in their mashed potatoes. But in this recipe, that extra moisture is how I can guarantee you'll have the fluffiest scrambled eggs every time. And the best thing, no mixing bowl. Simply break up the yolk in the pan, mix them well while you're cooking them, and keep the heat on medium-low. The most amazing thing about this hack is they'll remain soft, silky, and never dry out. Just look at these, soft, fluffy, and full of flavor. Oh, and did I mention they retain their moisture even when reheated? Now this next hack is just an add-on to this one, so I'm not going to remake the eggs. As most of y'all know, I don't put all that fluff in my videos. Now, this one is a total game changer if you love breakfast tacos. Start with our scrambled egg recipe, just like before. But here's where the twist comes in. Once the eggs are cooked, push them to one side of the pan. Then, in the open space, add 2 tablespoons paste picante sauce. Let it sizzle for a minute while stirring it continuously. This will give the sauce a roasted, slightly smoked, sweeter, and deeper taste. Now, slowly fold the eggs back into the sauce till every piece is lightly coated. Now, these rich, flavorful eggs are ready to place on one of my many tortilla recipes. And if you haven't seen them, you need to check them out. Now for my all-time favorite egg hack. And this last trick solves my biggest egg pet peeve. Runny, raw egg white in my over medium eggs. Have you ever been to your favorite breakfast restaurant and had to send the eggs back because the whites were raw? I have one too many times. But here's the way I fix this problem. While your egg is cooking, take a fork and carefully pierce the vitelline membrane. That's the thin white film that holds the yolk in place. Gently drag it outward with your fork, being careful not to puncture the yolk itself. This allows the surrounding egg white to cook evenly and eliminates that slimy texture that likes to be sneaky and hide right next to your yolk. Once you've done that, you do want to use a spatula for this because you've taken that egg yolk's support group. Now, give that egg a gentle flip. Don't rush it. Let it cook for about 20 to 30 seconds on the other side. And here's another pro tip. Lightly press around the yolk's edge with your spatula. This will help, especially in the beginning. And in no time, you'll learn the perfect cooking time for your ideal over medium egg. Set whites, creamy yolks, and no slime in the egg machine. Once you give this hack a try, your egg life will never be the same. No more guessing, just a clean, perfect cooked over medium egg every single time. Place them on my 90-second bread or my last keto tortillas. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.